Now all my curly hair friends out there, I feel you. I know about your endless struggles. From breakage, dryness and frizz to even sometimes being the butt of the joke about your heads looking like a lion's mane. Today, I bring to you a chance to rediscover what mistakes you have been making with your curly hair and what you can do to make your natural curls bouncy and luscious. 5 mistakes to avoid for curly hair. अगर आपको लगता है कि ज़्यादा शैम्पू करने से बाल ज़्यादा अच्छे हो जाएंगे तो आप गलत हैं. Also, with curly hair, you must shampoo the scalp rather than the hair. Try it for a week and you will be amazed to see the reduction in dryness and frizziness. Follow this with deep conditioning to get the best results. You have lived with this hair all your life to know that they are naturally dry and frizzy. They need a healthy dose of hydration, nourishment and protection that your mane isn't able to get from a shampoo alone. You should deep condition your hair, not the scalp. Whenever you buy your next conditioner, just be sure to look for hair-loving ingredients like coconut oil, shea butter, avocado oil and aloe vera. Now, who doesn't like a good champi yaar? I तो personally look forward to my mom or dadi to make me sit down and oil my hair in a good old-fashioned manner. For your dry scalp, warm oil ingredients are excellent. Apply hot oil just on the scalp and not your hair as a treatment and wash after 30 minutes. This helps boost circulation too. Avoid applying too much oil on the hair strands and leave that work for a conditioner. There's an added bonus here. You get the fun gossip session with your mom while she oils your hair. If there is one thing that you should immediately stop doing is this. Never brush or detangle your hair post-shower. Instead, try gently combing and detangling your curls in the shower while you condition your hair. The best hairbrush for your hair type would be a wide tooth comb that lets you work the conditioner through the length of your hair. Yaar, I know ab to aadat hi ho gayi hogi, but refrain from combing or detangling your hair even with your fingers. This will help break apart your curls and create more unnecessary frustration. Now I know ये काफी high maintenance sound करेगा, but protecting your hair while you sleep is a crucial step in your caring for your delicate spiral. No matter how expensive your sheets might be, cotton is still a fabric that's too harsh on your strands. To combat this issue, try wrapping your locks in a silk scarf or sleeping on a silk pillowcase. These simple hacks will help preserve your curl pattern and reduce the amount of friction they're exposed to throughout the night. Taking care of your curly hair is tough, but these simple tweaks to your hair care routine will set your mane on the right path again. Efforts to hair, but it's totally worth it. So, are you ready to bring your curly hair game to the next level?